Hi there. Today we're going to take a look on how we can add custom fields to our product pages on Vue Storefront with Odoo. So let's say we have this product here, a casual jacket, and if we go into our Odoo platform, I can see that this product has a weight of 80 kilograms, and on the Odoo API, I can see that the weight field is already provided and can be fetched. So all we gotta do now is add this field into Vue Storefront. If we take a look at the Vue Storefront Odoo documentations, we can see that we can create custom queries. All we gotta do is create a custom queries file and import it into our middleware config file and follow this template to our custom queries. The great thing is, when you clone the repository, you already have this custom queries file created and imported into our middleware config. So we can take a look at the queries that are already provided. So let's take this query, custom get product. It is the query responsible for fetching the fields from the products. And we can see that the fields that are fetched are defined in this product fragment file. If we switch to this file, we can see all the fields that are fetched from the product query. And we can add a new field. In this case, it will be weight. So if we save it, we need to restart our development server. And now we can switch back to the product page and let's create a new computed property that will be weight. So it will be a computed property that simply will return the weight of the product. So we return the weight. We have created this new computed property. We gotta return it so we can use it on the template, and let's edit it under the description. So let's create a new paragraph with the class product description as well. And now we can say that the weight is, here we call our computer property, and kilograms. So if we save it and then we switch back to our product page, we can see the new information in here. So that's all it takes to add custom fields to our Vue Storefront pages with Odoo.